Welcome to Odasco TV on YouTube, Odasco TV, on all social media platforms at odascitizen.com. Today we are at Odasco Senior High School. One of the schools in the Eastern region that has qualified for the National Science and Maths Quiz. Woo! We are very excited. In fact, I'm an Ananom. I completed Odasco Senior High School, so I'm so proud of the contestants. I have them here with me. I'm going to get a bit up and personal with them, get to know them, how the journey has been throughout to the National Science and Maths Quiz. So let's get up and personal with them. Okay, so your name?
My name is Joshua Nati.
Joshua Nati, right, okay. Any Ebenezer Jima. Okay.
James Kelvin.
Okay. Alright, okay. So I have them here with me. This is not Joshua, right? Or Joseph? Joshua, yes, Joshua. I know this is not the first time Odasco Senior High School is qualifying for the National Science and Maths Quiz. I'm sure that your predecessors also qualified. But to you or to this team, how do you feel about being able, even though your predecessors have done it, how do you feel about being able to qualify for the National Science and Maths Quiz?
I feel excited because our batch, for instance, we've also done something and we are yet to do more. So it's better.
Alright, how do you feel?
It's by God's grace that we've been looking at our predecessors, they've been able to inspire us to get to this place. And we are so happy and excited that once again we will be able to lift our school to the new path.
Alright, so let me come to Eni. How has the preparation been? Can you take us through the preparation, how you prepared, how you go to the regionals and all that? Take us through.
Actually, going there wasn't easy. But through determination, we made it that if our predecessors had done it, we too will do the same. But we too want to do it and have it. So going there was not easy, but we made it through determination and through the support from our teachers. We made it that we can still do it. That made us.
Okay, so through the support of your teachers, meaning that your teachers are actually the pivot point in this whole thing, right? Okay, we'll get interactive with your coordinators and your teachers too. Alright, so through determination, so you are kind of, tell us a bit more.